Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the GPS signal not found error in Pokémon Go. This common issue can prevent you from catching Pokémon or spinning Pokéstops. We'll cover essential troubleshooting steps to get you back into the game quickly. By following these simple instructions, you can ensure your device is properly configured to receive a strong GPS signal, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. First, let's check your device's location settings. Make sure your GPS is enabled and set to high accuracy mode. Navigate to your phone settings, find location, and confirm it's switched on. Also, verify that Pokémon Go has permission to use your location. Sometimes, power-saving features can interfere with GPS, so temporarily disable them if you're experiencing persistent issues. These steps are crucial for your device to accurately pinpoint your position. To boost your GPS signal, try moving to an open outdoor area away from tall buildings or dense foliage. These obstructions can block satellite signals. A simple restart of your phone and the Pokémon Go app can often resolve temporary glitches. Additionally, calibrating your device's compass can significantly improve location accuracy, helping the game pinpoint your exact position more reliably. These actions can make a big difference in signal acquisition. If the problem persists, try clearing the Pokémon Go app's cache and data. This can resolve corrupted files that might be causing issues. Always ensure both your device's operating system and the Pokémon Go application are updated to their newest versions, as updates often include bug fixes. For indoor play, connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network can sometimes assist your device in obtaining a more accurate location, even when GPS is weak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.